Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Chrissy here. So I had made a reel on Instagram with a twist out that I did, but I didn't film it at the time. So a lot of people have been asking me if there's a tutorial, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna show you guys how I did that twist out. I got that definition, that moisture, everything in one. So I will be using the Mielle Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream. I actually had to pick up an extra one for this tutorial because I was running a bit low. I will also be using my trusty Extreme Wetline Gel. We'll also be using castor oil, so I'm gonna get right into it. Okay guys, so my hair right now, it is freshly washed and deep conditioned. Deep conditioning is very important because it allows my hair to soak up that moisture, and when I do my hair when it's freshly washed, it allows the style to set much better. Just a few pumps of this. So I put like 3 or 4 pumps in my hair for this. Now I'm just adding a little bit of gel. So like this much. Okay, so I do my hair almost like I'm doing a wash and go, as in I finger detangle and I just rake my hands through my hair, and I want it to be defined before I even put it in the twist. I don't want to use too much product either because you don't want to have that product build up on your hair. See that right there? This is how it looks. Boom boom. All right, this part is very important. I am taking it from the root, guys, from the very root, and I'm going to twist it tightly. I'm actually not going to be using a leave-in conditioner for this video, and I didn't use one in the video that I did on Instagram either. When I get to the end, I just twist it and I make a tiny bantu knot like this. That way the ends will stay curled and not like frizzled. This is my hair just freshly deep conditioned. There's no product in it right now. And then I'm just gonna add a few pumps of the Mielle. I use 2 to 3 pumps depending on the size of the twist. So there. And then I'll add a few, just this much. My hair is already detangled. I detangle my hair when I'm deep conditioning. When I'm actually applying the product right now, I only finger detangle. I don't use a comb or a brush because I want to minimize frizz. I just want to show you guys the size of the twist that I use. So it's just this big. You don't want it to be too big and you don't want it to be too small. If it's too small, the twists are going to be like almost kind of straight or not as curly. And if it's too big, your hair won't dry in time probably, or it'll just be too shrunken. If you feel like the section isn't covered with just 2 pumps, just add a little bit more. What I like about this product, the styling cream, it mixes so well with the gel and it's so lightweight, so it dries much faster than like the other creams that I usually use. When I'm doing my twists, I make sure that each section actually ends at the same part because you don't want one section to be longer than the other, and then you have to be switching out section for section, then the twist is not going to look as neat. To actually put the headband on, so I did put the twist a bit back and not like okay. So I'm just gonna take my edges brush and I'm going to put this back because I am going to be doing the headband method, right? I'm gonna take my castor oil now. Much, I don't even know if you can see it, but it's just a little bit. Put that on my edges, and I'm gonna take a little bit more oil. Put it on, twist like this, and then we're gonna take the strap or if you have a scarf, that's fine. And just like so. I'm actually going to take each twist and twist it the way so that it's actually tighter like this. Take each and every single one of them, twist it, hold it. So you guys have an idea of the size of the twist in my hair. I have a total of 17 twists. This part is completely optional, but I do prefer to dry my hair with my hooded dryer because it's almost like it freezes my hair in the position that it's in. Sometimes I do air dry, or sometimes I'll use the hooded dryer for a few minutes and then I air dry it afterwards, even for like a few days or so before I actually take the twist out. So this is how my hair looks when I'm taking it from under the hood dryer. You can't actually see the products on it. It looks as if it's dry, but it's not completely dry. I'm actually going to be unraveling the twist tomorrow, and then we're going to see the results. Back again. So it's been about 24 hours since I actually put the twist in. With a combination of air drying and using my bonnet hood dryer, my hair is completely dry finally. And when I say dry, I mean it is dry. There's no squishy sound from the products. It's not wet in any sections at all, which is very important for when we're going to be unraveling them. I'm just going to take a little bit of biotin oil. You can use any kind of oil that's kind of thin in consistency, so just use a little bit of it. My hair is not wet at all, it's completely dry. The small bantu knots at the end, unravel them. And rubbing the oil against my hair. I separate the curls where they naturally separate. If it feels like it's not going, I don't separate it there. Definition, and the curls are bouncing back. There is no crunch at all. See? No crunch, no product residue or anything like that. Few pointers for you guys to remember. Very important that your hair is moisturized, and by that I mean deep conditioning, especially for my low porosity girls out here. Technique is important, guys. I don't believe in just the products alone. I think technique is important. The way how you do the twist, the size of the twist. I do mine tightly, do them almost like you're doing a rope twist. It's not just like a loose twist. One of the most important thing is to wait for your hair to dry. I mean, completely dry. Guys, if you unravel the twist while your hair is wet, I don't have to tell you that it's going to just poof up. It's not going to keep the form that you set it in. Also, for me to get that definition on the ends, I make sure I put them in the tiny bantu knot, because the ends of it here, that's the part that shows the most when you're doing a twist out. The next thing is product combination. You need products that will not give you a white residue. So guys, that's literally it. I'm not going to put on the other headband, just the plain black one, but you guys get the point. It's the same hairstyle. You guys asked for the tutorial, so this is it. I don't usually try and stretch my hair because hair will poof and stretch and get volume over time, so I'll just leave that for nature. It's moisturized, it's soft, it's defined, and this style actually lasted me for a little bit over a week. To be fair, I did stretch the week a little bit, but it lasted. So you guys know, there is no cast, like there is no cast on my hair or anything like that. I really hope you guys liked the tutorial and hope you guys took some pointers or learned something, and I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button if you're just visiting, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.